future of aerospace takes flight at Dubai Airshow 2025. Witness the first ever eVTOL flying display, redefining mobility. See sustainability take shape in every engine, every breakthrough, every launch. Meet the visionaries reimagining aviation, defense, and space. Step inside the Academy stage. Join Youth Circle's discussions. Airshow After Dark transforms the site into a celebration of progress, ending Tuesday evening with a spectacular drone show lighting up the night sky. 5 unforgettable days. Don't just witness the future. Be part of it.